This tutorial will show you how to back up your rubrics to your Schoology Resource Center. Many of you may have utilized rubrics in Schoology for grading student work. Rubrics are associated with the grade setup of each course. After all the work you've put into creating rubrics, it is understandable that you would want to save them to use with courses in the future. In Schoology, you can save rubrics to your resource folder. To do this, select Grade Setup from the left navigation menu within the course. Once in your grade setup, choose Rubrics to show all rubrics associated with this course. Here, you will save each rubric. There's not a way to save them all at once, so you'll have to do them individually. To save each one, go to the gear icon next to the rubric you would like to save, and then select Save to Resources from the menu. The rubric will automatically save to your home collection in your Schoology Resources. Click Save Copy. If you have already created a folder in your home resources for rubrics, you can select it here in the folder drop-down menu, and then select Save Copy.